Hello students, I hope you understood chapter number 13, the adjectives, and today we are starting chapter number 15, articles. You have also read in previous classes what is an article. An article is a word which modifies a noun, a person, place, object or idea. Technically an article is an adjective. Okay, an article is a word which modifies a noun. Okay, so articles are of two types, definite articles and indefinite articles. Definite articles, the. How many articles? Three types, a and the. So definite articles, the refers directly to the specific noun or group of noun. Definite articles refers directly to a specific noun. Okay, specific name, you can say the book on the table, the book on the table, the crocodile in water. And indefinite articles are a and an. Okay, so a and an refer to a noun, but that noun is not specific. Indefinite article a and an refers to a noun, refers to a name, but that noun is not a specific person, place or idea. It can be any noun from a group of nouns. Okay, for example, an event in history, an event in history, a glass of water, a glass of water, not a specific glass but any glass of water. An event of history, we are not referring to a particular event, it can be any event, it can be any event in history. Okay, so usage, now we will read the uses of a and an. Indefinite articles a and an are used before singular countable noun. A and an are used with singular countable noun. Okay. For example, he is a doctor. She does not have a car. They saw a lion at the zoo. A is used before a singular noun. A is used before a singular noun. A is used before a singular countable noun beginning with a consonant sound. जिसमें consonant sound आती है बेटा. A is used with them. Okay. He is a doctor. He is a doctor. Doctor क्या है? Noun है. A क्या है? Article है. Definite article. Indefinite article, sorry. Definite article क्या है? The. A और and क्या है? Indefinite articles. And A is used before, in this sentence, in this a is used with noun with a consonant sound. Okay, it's not a vowel. Consonant sound. D. Doctor. She does not have a car. Car क्या है? Noun. It is used before a noun. And for some more examples are there: a table, a cat, a school, a wish. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. The uses of a and an is used with before a singular noun that begins with a vowel sound. जिसमें vowel की sound आती है. Vowels, how many types of vowels are there? A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So an is used before a singular noun that begins a vowel sound. For example, Devi is an actor. Actor. Actor क्या है बेटा? Vowel sound है. वावल साउंड से पहले हम क्या फिल करते हैं? एन आर्टिकल. वी गॉट एन इन्विटेशन. आई वावल साउंड. आई वॉन्ट एन एग. इट इज ऑल्सो एन वावल. So we will use with egg and word n, article n we will use. Okay dear students, I hope this is clear to you. You have to read page number 96 and 97. And definite article the is used before a particular person or thing that has already been referred to. Okay, and the is used with superlative degrees. For example, good, better, best, the best. the best. Okay, the is used with singular noun, is used to represent a whole class or group. The rose is a beautiful flower, so that is singular noun is used to represent the whole class or group. The neem tree is very useful tree. The is used with superlative degrees, as I told you. Mohan is the most brilliant student of the class. Okay, the is used refer to people or objects that are unique. Clouds drifted across the sky. The president will be delivering a speech today. Okay, dear students, so you have to read page number 98 and 99 also, and read the uses of a and the. Thank you.